Where is fish? Where is fish? Now, are you okay? High five. Good job. High five. Good job. And what's your name? My name is Fish. Now, here I have Mr. Lotso. Do you want to hold Mr. Lotso? Yes? Okay, hold. Very good. Now I have here, what's this? Milk. And water. Okay. Can you point Mr. Lotso to milk? Where's milk? Do this like this. Milk. Water. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Where's milk? Very good. Where's water? Good job. Very good, Fish. Now I have here, wow, ice cream and chocolate. Can you point to chocolate? Where's chocolate? Can you point to chocolate? Again, this is ice cream and chocolate. Now look, ice cream, chocolate. Now where is ice cream? Where is chocolate? Where is ice cream? Ice cream. Very good. Good job. Now I also have here. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Pink? Oh, pizza. And we have some candy. Pizza. Candy. Now let's say pizza. Candy. Pizza. Candy. Now can you tell me where is pizza? Pizza. Good job. Where's candy? Candy. Wow. Where's pizza? Pizza, 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 pizza. Wow, very good. One more time. Okay. I have here cookie, cookie, and cake. Okay. Cookie, cake. Now, can you tell me, Fish, where is the cookie? Oh, very good. Where is the cake? Good job. Where's the cookie? Cookie, cookie. Good job. Now,